What's up, piano players? So I got a lot of amazing reviews on the previous videos I did last week on arpeggios. So today we're going to be looking into another arpeggio, which I believe will enhance your playing. Well, if this is your first time here, my name is Kingsley and this is Piano with Kingsley, where we aim to improve you at whatever level you are. So if this is your first time, don't forget to like this video, smash the subscribe button so you keep updated, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now let's get right into the video. Now, if you haven't seen my other videos, I suggest you take a look at the previous videos I did on arpeggios. That will make you, appreciate this a bit more. Right, so minor chord arpeggios. Now, as you know minor chords already, if you're not familiar with minor chords, again, check my previous videos and you'll find a video on minor chords for sure. So, simple minor chord like that, right? So this is an A minor chord. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 types of arpeggios you can play with this. So you can, 2 of them will be one-handed and 1 will be two-handed arpeggio. Okay, so the basic one, basic minor chord arpeggio you can play with a simple minor chord is a triplet run, where you just go 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. All right, so this is great for ending songs, or you can even play it within songs, but sometimes you might have to sort of cheat the timing a little bit. Okay, so so if you go like so you saw what happened there. I didn't really finish the last one because it's a triplet and I'm trying to fit it into a 4/4 time signature, right? So I'm going to move from the A minor to the F. Okay, so you saw what I did there. Yeah, so you can do this, or if let's say you're ending a song and the song ends with now when you're ending songs, you're not really bound to really play any specific timing, so the timing is loose there, so it's a lot easier using this sort of arpeggios, right? Great, so that's the first type. Let me take you through a few fingering options for this type of arpeggio. All right, so a few fingering options for this. Yep, so let's take it from C. So this is a C minor chord. Most of the time I'll play it with my 1, my 3, and my 5. Okay, so and I suggest you take it very slow, right? So so 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. It's a triplet, so 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so okay, let's take the next one, C sharp. So it's just, you're going to be using D minor. You're going to be using the 1 3 and 5, or any of them that's comfortable. It's not really no fast rule here, right? So D minor, E flat minor, E, F, right? F sharp minor, G minor, A, B flat minor, B minor. Now you see here, I changed to 1, 2, and 3 because it's a lot difficult for me to play to the 1, 3, and 5. So anything that makes your fingers comfortable, right? So you can play it fast as well when you're more comfortable. All right, excellent. Now let's go to the second one. So The second one is, what I like to call the 16 note arpeggios, where you try to make sure there are 4 notes in the arpeggios. And this is a lot easier to fit into your popular 4/4 timing songs that you play. So what I'm going to do is to add a 2 to the minor chord and then drop the fifth down. So if I have I have like an A minor chord like that, okay, I'm going to add a 2. So it's going to be an A minor add 2, and then I'll drop this fifth down. So I'm going to invert it down, okay? So something like this, okay? So A minor add 2, and then I can run this 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like that, right? So okay, so try and practice this in every single key. So you take let's say you start from C, that's the minor chord, add the 2, drop the fifth down. So this is your style. So you're going to be using the thumb, second, third, and fourth, right? Okay, so just like that, C sharp minor. Okay, you get the idea. Try this in every single key, and you can use this to end songs. You can use it to easily even fit it in songs, right? So let's take our popular chord progression, the 6 4 1 5 in the key of C, to make it simple, right? 6 4 1 5, right? What? Then we do 6. Okay, so I just did some added some melodies to just to finish it off. I'm going to take another video where I show you a few melodies you can use to connect chords here and there, right? So for this, let's take it simple. So 6 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. And the moment you end it, you find the next chord there. It doesn't matter the inversion you get, right? So in this case, I'm going to use the regular root position. So first chord, 1 2. Then let's start again. So 1 2 2. Right? So let's say we are ending the song. So this is beautiful for ending songs, and it works perfectly within the song as well. Now, if you wanted to play this kind of arpeggio, the 5 1 2 3, if you think about it, so it's like 5 1 2 3 of the minor chord. If you wanted to play it with a 200 arpeggio, that would be also really nice for fitting in songs and ending songs. Either way, it's gonna sound the same anyway. So, so in this case, like this. See that? I'll take it slow. So okay, so what I'm doing is using my left hand to play the 5 and using the right hand, first 3 fingers to play 1 2 3. So okay, so I can even do the same thing for the major, right? So from the previous lesson, we did it for major chords. Now I'm gonna use the double-handed arpeggio to play it with the minor and major and see how both of them sound together, right? So let's give it a try. I'll do this at random, so feel free to pause the video, slow it down, rewind it, and have a look at what I'm doing. I'm not going to play anything new, just what we've studied, right? Okay, so let's go. right? So try play something simple like this in a few keys, as many keys as you can, really. And take it slow, take it really slow with the arpeggios. Try and get it on your fingertips, and the goal is not to really play it very fast, is to play it accurately and slow, you know, in the beginning, and the speed obviously comes with time. All right, so give this a go. Let me know how it goes. As always, put a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if it's easy for you, if you think I should slow things down a bit more, if you think I should do something else to make it easy for you to understand, because I'm here because of you. All right, so let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next lesson.